Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to export files from Onshape. So what you're going to do first is locate the tab. So go to the bottom bar of your Onshape workspace and find the tab which says something like Part Studio or Assembly or something else. So right here I have a cat and deep grow ball bearing right here. Um, like so let's say open download maybe. Okay, so as you can see here I have so as you can see here we have this bearing model right over here. Now to export it, what you're going to do, as I mentioned, down here you will find basically the tab with the name of your project. Right click on it and then you will find here export option, so click on that. Now you will select the file name, you can change it. Format, you can change in those formats as you can see. And then here we have the version and download. Okay, and when we are happy with that, just click on export and you will get the notification. As you can see now, we have downloaded basically the whole project with that. And yeah, this is pretty much it, how you can export files from Onshape. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next